everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a planner flip through in my current B6 setup. This is a B6 from the Planner Society, and I purchased this in her like oops sale. I don't know exactly what she called it, but it was there's something wrong with it, and I don't know what was wrong with it, but I got it for a discounted price and I love it. I know I spent less than $20 on it, but I love it. So it's a B6 wide, which I prefer because it gives you a little bit more space. I am really contemplating getting a personal wide planner because I miss rings, but I like the size of this. A personal just seems way too small now, and an A5 seems too big. I've been toying with going back to my Carpe Diem, which is more half letter size. So I don't know, but I also like the big size of the Erin Condren. I'm in such a planner rut right now. I'm looking for planner piece. I just might have to build my own planner. I don't know, but let me show you what I've done with this one so far. I went ahead and used the newest Planner Society kit, and that was the one that I got this month in April, and I am obsessed with this kit. It's so pretty. I'm not the biggest blue fan. I like blue, but I definitely like purple, and it just, the way it all came out together. And then in this pink planner, I just love it. If I would have done this in my white planner, I don't think I would have loved it as much, just because it needed more pink, and this bright pink on the inside, which is very different than the pink on the outside, just really lends itself well to this kit. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of walk you through everything that I've done. It's pretty much the same as I always do. I did this last night while my husband and I were watching TV. We rewatched the first episode of season 8 of Game of Thrones. We had already watched it, obviously, but we rewatched it since the hype was down and we could like actually, enjoy it and catch some new things. And I decided to play with my planner since I didn't have to stay super focused. And he was like, I haven't seen you play with your planner in a long time, so I'm really excited to show this to you. I'm going to start by taking the pen off. I don't have a pen loop in this planner, and I don't like having those pen loops on the side. I don't know what it is. I don't like those big clips, but I loved the pen so much. It has this cute little swan decal, and it's just so pretty and feminine. I love the white and the florals. It's just very different from any other pen that I have. And it's very similar to my other favorite pen, which is this one here that has the rainbow florals inside, which I just love rainbow. So it's very similar to that. It's just all white, and I really, really like it. So I just have it in the side over here. When the planner is closed, it fits in perfectly fine, but I didn't want to connect it. So I'm just going to take that off for now. So let's start over here in our pockets. I started with the back, the very, very back pocket, and I just have this piece of doily paper from Michaels that I have cut down to fit perfectly into my B6, and I use it in almost every setup. I just like that daintiness that it brings, and the color is great. And then I used a backer card from the kit. Yeah, this is a backer card. I cut off some of it so that it fit nicely right in here, just for some change in color. And then this was paper that came with the kit. Now, it's not small enough for me just to fold in half and use in my inserts. It was too big on the top, and so I just cut it down to, again, just fit right into the pockets. And I really love the color that it brings and the daintiness of the doily. And then I'm going to show you what I've got going on in the pockets. So I just have, of course, florals. I have these secured down with a lot of washi, so I can't really pull them out, but this is just one of the bigger die cuts, floral die cut. This is a townhouse die cut. This one was my favorite. It's T. The dogs are barking because it sounds like Danny just got home. There was another floral back here, and then this was a backer card. Let me just pause until he's in the house. Good thing I didn't wait for that to end. I walked out there because it was my neighbor. She had just come home and shut the door, and the dogs were barking. So I was going to wait, thinking Danny would come inside, but he's not back yet. He's at Home Depot. Anyway, so this is a sticker sheet with some washi. And this was another backer card. And then I just secured, now this die cut here in the front, I'm going to show you. It is a little dollhouse. Is this not the cutest? I've never seen a die cut like this. It's so cute. It reminds me of the Nutcracker. We went to go see the Nutcracker a couple years ago here at the Smith Center. And the first scene, as they're getting ready for the party, just looked like a giant dollhouse. It was so cool. And then we have two more florals over here and another backer card. And then I have this bow here from Co XOXO. And then over here, I'll show you what I did. Now this is a bow from the Planner Society, or a clip, I'm sorry. Previous month, I couldn't even tell you when, but I love it. So I started by cutting down the paper. I wanted to use this floral paper here. And then I cut down the acetate that came with the kit to just lay over it. And then I layered some die cuts. So I've got a floral die cut back here. I have this journaling card. It says, "A flower does not think of competing," to the flower next to it. It just blooms. I'm not crazy about the saying, "Flower does not think of competing," to the flower next to it. I think it should be competing with the flower next to it. Doesn't make any sense to me the way it's written, but it was the one I liked the most, the actual like font. And then I use this cute one here with the little soda bottle, and then this is one of the puffy stickers that came with the kit, and then this is another die cut here with another puffy sticker. And I just moved them around on here until I got them situated the way I liked them, and then I added the stickers in the end, and they're all secured with washi tape. And then the kit did come with some more of that scallop sticker, so I just added that there to the edge to give it a fun little something extra. On the inside, I put one of the pockets, and then I added one of the big little cute townhomes that it comes with, and then some of the stickers. And then this is vellum from last month's kit, and I just left it in there. And then holding my spot for the week, which I have not done yet, I'm going to film this next, was another one of those little townhomes, and this one's like a really thick vellum. It's just a cute little bookmark. And then another item that came with the kit was this really cute paper clip, dangle paper clip with like a little swan and some other pieces, which I find funny that it's gold. I'm glad it's gold because that's what I prefer. But all the other metal elements, this is rose gold and then this is silver. So there's like three different metals in this kit, which is interesting. It's fine with me because I mix metals all the time, but if you're particular about that, that might bother you. Then here in the middle, this is just the back side of that first dash. In the middle, I went ahead and left the dashboard the acetate dashboard that I made from last month's kit with the cute little mug. I just left it because I really liked it, and I just liked it over the monthly by itself. I put in this bow here from Planning Zen that it's a faux leather bow. I haven't done April yet. I'm going to though because my other months are done. You guys know I like to use stickers from leftovers or from the Planner Society. And then that's just the back of it there. And then we do have, this planner comes with 4 sections. I currently only have 3, but I wanted to add another one because I would like to make this more functional for work. So I made another section here with this adorable paper. This is what the inside looks like. I put in another little pocket, again with stickers and one of the cute little townhomes. And then this was the vellum that came with the kit. Really, really pretty, again with rose gold, which is so funny because the stickers had silver, so I don't know. And I feel like some of the die cuts had silver. I can't remember, but it's just funny. There's nothing in it yet. I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet. And then the back was this stunning purple. I love this purple, and I put it in the back because I wanted it to kind of peek out. And the inside, I put another pocket. I don't have anything in it yet, but I'll put something in there. And then this is my notes section, so where I can just write notes. And then I used another one of these really cute little townhomes as a paper, as a bookmark, and this dangle clip from a previous Planner Society kit. These inserts are from the Planner Sophisticate. All of my inserts are from the Planner Sophisticate. And then that's the back. And then this kit also came with this really great extra large Post-it set. And I loved it so much. I wanted it in here, and it just fits so perfectly in this little spot right here, which I love because it peeks through on the back. And also, if I'm like in a meeting and I just want to, you know, jot down notes, like while I'm in my meeting, I could just, and then done. So I really, really like that. I'll probably take this off of the pen. I took it off of another one of the pens. I don't think I have it here. I think I have it at my desk, but one of the dark blue ones came with a dangle like this, and I took it off just because I didn't like it like flinging around when I was trying to write. It got really annoying. So, oh, it's this pen. I put it back on because I didn't have it in my planner, but when I had it in my planner, I took it off because I don't like the way it dangles around when I'm trying to write. Especially in a meeting, it'll draw attention to me. So anyway, so that is the whole planner. Right now, I use these inserts here from the Planner Sophisticate. They're the week on 3-page plus a notes page, but I've been so terrible. Look at this. Like, I write it all down and then I don't use it. So I'm really desperate for an hourly layout because I like to just see my day like mapped out like that, to see what I have coming next, what, you know, what time, you know, here's a block of time that I could get something done, you know, administration work or whatever. I like that, but I also like having to-dos. So I'm trying to find like a middle ground. I know that Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans, she used to do that, and she had a really great format. So I just have to look. I'm, you know, gonna be all over YouTube looking for some videos and trying to find, you know, my planner piece, because I know I want something. I just don't know what that looks like yet. So stay tuned. I will let you know, but that's what I've got so far. I will not be changing my monthly inserts because I love these. But we'll figure out all of the rest. So that is it for this plan with me. I'm sorry, for this planner walkthrough. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry that it wasn't like a setup per se, like where I actually did it on camera, but I just haven't had the sit down time for that. It's spring break. Yesterday we spent literally 10 hours cleaning our garage. So we're just trying to get ourselves set up for a really good summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.